Welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today we are going to explain very important topic, that is arithmetic progression class 11 part 8. Let us see. So here the first question is what? Find the sum of all natural numbers between 250 and 1000 which are exactly divisible by 3. So you know natural number is what? All counting number. So we have to take number between 250 and 1000, greater than 250 and less than 1000, which is divisible by 3. So first to check what is the first number. So divide this number, 3 8 are 24, 1 remainder 10. 3 3 are 9, 3 4 are 12. So we have 10 and 3 4 are 12. So 2 more. So first number will be what? 252. Now this number is divisible by 3. So next number will be what? Just add 3. So we'll get what? 255. Okay. In the same way, number will increase. Now we have to check the last number. So again, same technique, divide this number by 3. This is the greatest number. So we don't go beyond, we come down less. So what is the remainder? Just use subtract. So 3 3 are 9. 10. 3 3 are 9, again 10, 9. So 1 is the remainder. So subtract 1. You will get what? 999. Right? Now this is the series in AP because common difference is same, that is the thing. So here first term, that is A, is what? 252, and common difference is what? That is 3, and last term is what? That is 999. So we need sum of the terms of all terms of this series. So first we have to find total number of terms, that is n. So simple technique for finding n is what? Last term minus first term by common difference plus 1. So here last term is 999, first term is 252, common difference 3 plus 1. So 9 minus 2 is what? 7. And here 9 minus 5 is what? 4. And there 9 minus 2 is again 7 upon 3 plus 1. So when we divide this number, so you will get what? 3 2 is 6. So the 1 remainder 14. 3 4 is 12. 2 remainder 27. 3 9 is 27. So total number of term is what? That is 250. Now we need sum of the total term, that is sum of 250. So trick is what? N by 2. 250 by 2 into A plus L. That is first term plus last term. So first term is what? 252. Last term is what? 999. So when we divide this number 250 by 2, we get 125. And here 9 to 11. 9 plus 2 is what? 11. Carry 1. 9 plus 5, 14. And this is 15. And 9 to 11, and this is 12. So when we add this number, 9 plus 2, 11, 1, carry 1, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15, carry 1, 9 to 11, 12. Now we have to multiply 125 to 1251. So trick is what? When you are multiplying any number by 125, just forget this 125. And just imagine in mind here a given number after 3 zeros. So this is the given number. Just assume here 3 0 and divide by 8. So we are doing the same. 8 1 ja 8. Right? So this is 4 remainder 45. 8 5 ja 40. 5 remainder, so 51. 8 6 ja 48. Now 3 remainder, and here we in mind 3 0. So this is the 3, so 30. So 8 3 ja 24. Again remainder is what? 6. Again one more 0, 60. 8 7 ja 56. Last one more 0. So that is 40. So 8 5 ja 40. So correct is what? 156375 by tricky approach. Now you multiply by basic rule and check. This is 1251 and this is 125. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 12, and this is 6. 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, 5, and this 2. This is 1 5 2 1. So this is 5, this is 7, this is 3, this is 16, 5. So answer is what? 15636. So you can use this trick anywhere when you are multiplying any number by 125. Forget this 125 and just imagine in mind here 30 and divide 8. So multiplying 125 and dividing 8. So dividing 8 is very easy. So you can find your answer directly. Now see the next question, question number 2. Find the sum of all odd numbers between 2 and 100 divisible by 3. So odd number means the number which is not divisible by 2. So we have to take all the numbers, odd number between 2 and 100. So first number will be what? 3. Second number divisible by 3 is 6, but this is the even numbers. We will not take that number. Next number will be what? 9. Again the next number is 12, but it divided by 2, not even number. So we will take what? 15. So in this way we will go up to the last number. So here the last number is what? 100. So when we go for dividing, this is the 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So we will got 99. And 99 is what? Odd number. So last number will be what? 99. So this is the AP because the first term is what? 3. And common difference is what? 9 minus 3 is 6, 15 minus 9 also 6. And this is the last term, that is 99. So we can find n very easily, that is an minus a and divided by common difference plus 1. So last is what? 99, first is what? 3. And common difference is 6 and plus 1. So 9 minus 3 is 6, this is 96 plus 1 divided by 6. So when we divide this number, 6 1 is 6, 3 remainder, 6 6 is 36. So it is what? 17. So now we can find sum of 17 terms. So rule is what? N by 2. So 17 by 2. First term, that is 3, plus last term, that is 99. So we will get what? 17 by 2 into 9 3 12, 102. So when we divide, we will get what? 51. So 17 1 is 70, carry 1. 17 5 is 85 and 1 is what? 86. So correct answer is what? 867. Now see the question number 3rd. The third question is what? If the mth term of an AP is 1 by n and nth term is 1 by n, then show that sum of mn terms is what? Half into mn plus 1. So for this type of question, how can we solve? So it is simple. It is given mth term of AP. So this is an. It is given what? 1 by n. And the nth term, that is an. It is given what? That is 1 by n. Now we have to show sum of mn terms, that is Smn, equal to half into mn plus 1. This we have to prove. So to prove sum of mn terms equal to half mn plus 1. So from the first second, you know am is 1 by n. So we can write what? A plus m minus 1 into d is 1 by n. And here next a plus n minus 1 into d is what? 1 by m. So from these two equations, when we subtract, we will get a minus a is cancelled out. So we can take d into m minus 1 and minus n minus 1. So this is minus n plus 1, right? So subtracting first minus second. So first minus second, a minus a is 0. Here d is common, so m minus 1 minus n plus 1. And this equal to what? That is 1 by n minus 1 by n. So we can write d into, this is cancel out m minus n. And here also m minus n by mn. So this cancel. So d equal to what? 1 by mn. Right? Now you can put any value of d in the equation first or second. So we are putting the first equation. So here is what? A plus m minus 1 and d is what? 1 by mn. And this equal to what? 1 by n. Right? So a equal to what? 1 by n minus. m minus 1 by mn. So here LCM will be what? Mn. So this is n, so here you will write m. Now this is minus, so minus m plus 1, this is cancelled. So A equal to what? 1 by mn. So now we have A and D. No problem. We can find sum of mn terms. So formula is what? N by 2. So mn by 2 into n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1. So 2a. So a is what? 1 by a is what? 1 by mn. So 2a. So 2 into 1 by mn. 2a plus n minus 1. N is what here? Mn. So this is mn minus 1 into d. D is what again? This is mn. So when we solve this number, this is mn by 2 and this is what? 2 upon mn, and here mn minus 1 upon mn, right? So we can write here mn by 2 into, here 2 minus 1 is 1, so mn plus 1. So mn plus 1 and divided by what? Mn, right? So here mn by 2 into 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 plus mn divided by mn. So this mn and this mn is cancelled, so you get what? Half into mn plus 1. So this is what? Half into mn plus 1. This is our correct answer. So we can write here half into mn plus 1, right? So it is very easy. M is given, N is given, and sum of mn terms we have to prove. So from first equation, this a plus m minus 1d. From second equation, a plus n minus 1 into d. First minus second, we can find d very easily. Put the value d, we can find a very easily. And then sum of mn terms we can find very easily. So we can, this is the proof, and we can use this as a trick also. Now see question number 4. The question 4 is what? Find the sum of n terms of the sequence where n is what? 5 minus 6n. N is a natural number. So sum of n terms of the sequence. So first you see the given sequence in AP or not. So if the n is given, how can we find the given series in AP? So trick is what? Just to find an plus 1 minus an. If an plus 1 minus n is the constant term, then the sequence will be in AP. So let us check it. So first we are finding an plus 1 minus an. So an plus 1 means what? 5 minus 6 into n plus 1. And then n already given 5 minus 6n. So this is what? 5 minus 6n minus 6. Here 5, so minus 5. Here minus 6n, so plus 6n. So this 6 and 6n cancel, this 5 cancel. So we get to what? Minus 6. So here n plus 1 minus n is what? Constant, that is minus 6. So it is sequence is in what? AP. Now we understood the sequence in AP and we have to find sum of n term. So first you find what is the first term. So that is a1 equal to what? That is 5 minus 6 into 1. So 5 minus 6 is what? Minus 1. And we have already common difference is what? Minus 6. So we can find sum of n terms. Formula is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is n, right? And a we have minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 plus n minus 1, and d is what? Minus 6. So we can write very easily n by 2 into minus 2. So this is minus 2 and minus 6 into n. This is what? Minus 6n. Minus 1 into minus 6. This is what? Plus 6. Okay. So now we can write this n by 2 into minus 2 plus 6 is what? 6 minus 2, that is 4, minus 6n. When we take common 2, so n by 2 into 2, we will get what? 2 minus 3n, right? So this is cancel out. So we will get n into 2 minus 3n. So n into 2 minus 3n is our right answer. So simple technique is what? If the an is given, first you check it is AP or not. So find an plus 1 minus an. If the result is what? That is constant, then the given sequence is in AP. So here difference is minus 6, it is in AP. So first term is what? So an is 5 minus 6n. So a1 means 5 into 6 into 1, that is minus 1. Common difference we already found, constant minus a. Sum of n terms, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So n by 2, 2 into minus 1 plus n minus 1, d is what? Minus a. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 6 into n minus 6n minus 6 into minus 1 plus a. So minus 2 plus 6 is what? 4 minus 6n. So when we take common 2, so n by 2 into 2 is what? 2 minus 3n. So 2 cancel, and into 2 minus 3n is our right answer. Now see question number 5. The question 5 is what? How many terms of the sequence 54, 51, 48 daddle be taken so that their sum is what? 5, 1, 3. So for this type of question, first you check the given sequence in AP or not. So difference is what? 51 minus 4 is what? That is minus 3. 48 minus 51 is what? That is minus 3. So common difference is same. So the given sequence is in AP. So you know what is given? First term of this AP is what? 54. Common difference is what? That is 51 minus 54, that is minus 3. And it is given sum of n terms is what? 513. So we have to find what? How many terms? We have to find number of terms, that is n. So you know the formula, sum of n terms of AP is what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into t. So when we apply this formula, so it is already given 513, and this is n by 2. A is what? 54. So 2 into 5, 4, and it is what? N minus 1. So n minus 1 is given what? N minus 1 is n minus 1, and d is what? That is minus 3, right? Now if we solve this number, we will get n by 2 into, this is 2 4 ja 8, 108, and this is minus 3 and plus 3, right? So now we can write 2 3 ja 6, 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. 1026 equal to what? 108 plus 3, 111n, and minus 3n square. So we can write easily 3n square minus 111n plus 1026 equal to what? 0. If we take 3 common, so we will get what? N square minus 3 3 ja 9, 2 21, 3 7 ja. And here 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 3 2. That is 3 4 2 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can factorize this. So 3 4 2, if you will take the LCM of factor of 3 4 2. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14. And 3, that is 19. So you know 18 plus 19 is what? 37. So we can write here n square minus 18 n minus 19 n and plus 342 equal to 0. So rule is what? When we add this number, we get minus 37. When we multiply minus 18 into minus 19, we will get positive 342. Now you can take common n. So this is what? N minus 18, and here 9. So this is what? N minus 18 equal to 0. So we will get 9n minus 19, n minus 19 equal to 0. So n is what? 18 and 19. Now you see here, if the sum of 18 terms or sum of 19 terms, both will be what? 518, because that is because 19 term is what? 0. So n is what?